This demonstration illustrates the integration that is possible between the QEI TDMS Plus SCADA system and the Milsoft Dispatch OMS system using the Multispeak version 3 web services. The Multispeak SCADA interface detects when a SCADA device opens and closes and creates the appropriate verified open and restored states in dispatch. But what if no breaker operation occurs and the substation voltage drops or the substation loses its feed from the transmission system? In this case, no breaker operation had occurred, but dispatch is still capable of detecting a substation outage based on analog change notifications from the SCADA system. In order to read SCADA data and respond to SCADA events, it is first necessary to associate the appropriate SCADA points with the circuit elements in dispatch. If we open the circuit element editor for the substation, we can select the SCADA page that allows us to assign one or more SCADA points to this substation. To perform this mapping, it is helpful to request a list of SCADA points from the SCADA system by choosing Get Real-Time SCADA Points from the SCADA menu. The SCADA system uses the Multispeak real-time interface to transmit this list of SCADA points. We select the SCADA point from the list that monitors substation voltage and assign it to all three phases. There's a drag-and-drop interface that facilitates this mapping. Once the SCADA points have been assigned to certain elements, the link is saved so that this mapping only has to be performed just this once. We now switch to QEI's SCADA World View screen, where a substation outage occurs. Notice the system monitoring the substation's voltage and feeder currents. When the voltage drops, QEI sends 13 SCADA analog changes to Milsoft. The dispatch system triggers an outage based on the substation voltage falling to 7 volts. The Multispeak link to Milsoft box monitors the integration messages that pass between the two systems. In Milsoft's dispatch system, alarms are triggered showing that a SCADA event and a new priority outage on substation SB05 has occurred. This outage is defined as a verified outage based on the SCADA input that the substation has lost voltage. An outage ticket is automatically created, displaying that all three phases are out and that 1,687 customers are out of power. The dispatcher opens the outage manager in order to display the details of the outage. By selecting the SCADA status events page in the outage manager, the dispatcher can see that an analog change event was received from SCADA, triggering the outage. The circuit element editor can be opened for the substation by clicking on the outage tag. The dispatcher can confirm the voltage readings by pressing the Read SCADA Analogs button, which displays the voltage readings in real time from QEI's SCADA system. We now switch back to QEI's SCADA Worldview screen. Notice that the system now detects that the substation voltage and currents are back to normal. This triggers the QEI system to send 13 SCADA analog changes to Milsoft. The dispatch system responds by restoring the outage on the substation. SCADA automatically communicates to dispatch that the substation voltage is now normal and the outage will then automatically be set to restored. An accurate restore time is automatically recorded. The dispatch interface to SCADA provides powerful benefits to the outage management process. Automatic substation verification and restoration relieves the dispatcher of completing these tasks. During major outages, each task that can be accurately automated frees the utility dispatching staff to focus on other responsibilities. The ability to accurately locate the cause of an outage can minimize the time customers are out of power and decrease the number of crew work hours.